Hi friends, in the previous session we have seen the PowerShell introduction and also how to create the resource group by using the PowerShell. In today's session I'm going to show you how to create the storage by using the PowerShell command. Here I have given the syntax for creating the storage account by using the PowerShell command. And here there are various metrics or parameters that you can substitute. For example, if you take SKU name, which is a tier, whether you want to use a standard tier or premium tier. Under that, whether you want to use a LRS, GRS or ZRS. So those type of parameters you can substitute under the SKU in the brackets. Similarly, location, you can see the various parameters available. For example, if you want to choose East Asia, then you have to use the East Asia in the location format. These are the location formats that you can substitute in your commands. Without further delay, let us create the storage by using the PowerShell commands. Here I have used the terminal from the portal.azure.com. It is already connected. I'm just simply going to create the storage by using the Az storage account. So let us start. New. Any creation, it will start with the new, and then what you are going to create, Az storage, Azure storage account. Just type that and then space hyphen in which resource group you are going to create the storage. So that name of the resource group you have to mention here. I'm going to take my storage, which is already created, my storage PowerShell. Next parameter is name of the storage account hyphen name. I'm simply saying my storage for session. Next is location hyphen location. So you can define, maybe you can say East US. I have already showed the parameters what you can substitute here, and make sure that all these parameters in the single quotes. The next one is SKU. Just let us type SKU here. Hyphen SKU, and then the tier. So I want to use standard LRS, which is the lowest tier, but based on your need you can definitely define the other one. So simply enter. After a minute I see my storage session, which is like the storage account name is already created in East US. So you can, there are a few parameters which can be recognized with a completely small letters, like location is one of the example. So it is already done. Let us just check in our resources under our portal. I'm just checking all the resources. Under the all resources, you will be able to see whether the storage account is created or not. So you can see here my storage session is already created. Now let us remove the same storage. So it's very simple. While you're creating, it is new Az storage account. While removing, you will have to use remove hyphen Az storage account, resource group name where it is created, I created in my storage PowerShell. And the account name. So name, the storage account name is my storage session, which I created earlier, and enter. So you have to confirm whether you want to remove it or not. So simply take it YRS. Looks like I missed the space here. Just let me copy the command. So simple space is also creating a problem. Just simply press enter here now. Say yes. After a minute, just check by refreshing the page, then automatically the storage account got disappeared. That means it is removed. You can play with a lot of parameters here. Similarly, I'll come up with more commands. Thanks for watching my videos.